Hi, my name is Michael McAllister and my product is the QR code key. So the basics of my product is to help keep your safe, your home, whatever you have a keyhole on, safer. And the way I'm going to do that is by adding a strip on the jagged edge of your key and having a connecting strip on the inside of the lock, and the chip within the key will connect to an app on your phone. So if you lose your key for whatever reason, maybe someone stole your keys, you don't know who has them, you're scared that they might break into your house, or your safe, or whatever you have a lock on, the app will be able to connect to your key and you can deactivate the key. So if this key was put into the lock while it's deactivated, it will not allow the door to be opened, or the safe, or whatever it is. Another feature of the key would be a QR code right on the fat part of the key. And this is basically just a safety precaution. If you lose your key, you don't know where it is, you lose it for a long time, you forget what door it goes to, the app will just scan the QR code and it'll pop up and tell you what door or item this key will go to. An upgraded feature of our key will involve a GPS system within the fat part of the key, similar to a tile. So if you lose your key within your home or anywhere within 100 meters of your phone, it'll connect to the Bluetooth on the key and you'll be able to know where it is because it'll play a sound out of the key if you press a button on the app. For our customers with disabilities, we will have an option on our website when you buy the item to put Braille on the key so that the person with the disability can just feel on the key and know what door it goes to. In our key, we will also utilize the technology of RFID in the sense that we will put another chip within the key that if the key gets within 3 meters of the lock or gets inserted into the lock, a notification will be sent to the app on your phone so that you, the consumer, knows if either somebody else put the key into the lock or you are doing it yourself. This will come in handy if you lose your key and you don't know if somebody has stolen it or not. And if you don't have the key and somebody inserts it into the lock, you know it's not you and that someone's trying to break into your house. As a company, we can get customer engagement through the use of big data. We can take data from each person's key, depending on if they lose it a certain amount of times, if they deactivate it a certain amount of times, if they're searching for it a certain amount of times, and then send an automated email to them, giving them tips on how to stop that from happening. And we can take this to any data we can get from this key. So in conclusion, the QR code key will keep your home safer through the use of Bluetooth, RFID, and a 2-step authentication app so that nobody can steal your keys, and if they are stolen, that you as the consumer can keep your items safe by deactivating the key. Thank you.